We learned before that with innerHTML, we can actually change the HTML inside another HTML tag through JavaScript. So we did that right here when we went through, we found the element with the ID guess count, and that of course is the paragraph with ID guess count down here. And then we could set the innerHTML to guess count colon and the number of guesses. And so that takes the form of up here. Once we start to take a guess, I'll just take a guess of 12. Guess was too low, and now it changes the HTML. And we can actually insert HTML using tags here as well. So if we wanted to maybe emphasize this or make it strong, there's a strong tag. Strong makes the text typically bold. You can, of course, change this like anything else in the style of HTML, but let's try strong here. So this is HTML that's going to get replaced inside the paragraph. Let's take a guess. 2. Guess was too low. Now look, this is bold. So that's pretty neat. And not only can we change the HTML inside of an element, but innerHTML allows us to change the HTML of a button too, which is a standard HTML element. So if we go down here to our button, initially we say take a guess. But after they've taken one guess, maybe we want to say take another guess. So what we can do is first we have to give the button an ID. That allows us to easily reference it in our JavaScript. So let's type in right here another attribute. We'll call it ID equals the guess button. There. So we've added this extra attribute inside the button tag. And now once you've taken a guess, we can copy this. We're gonna change the innerHTML now of the guess button, which is going to be very, very similar to this. So we'll just copy this whole line. I'll do a Control-C on a PC, Command-C on a Mac. I'm going to paste once to just replace that again with itself, and another time to make a copy. I'm going to replace this with the guess button. And the innerHTML I'm going to make now is not guess count. Instead, it's going to be take another guess. Let's erase all this stuff to the right. Still need the semicolon, of course. Great. So now when we take a guess, after we've taken our first guess, whether it's a good guess or not, even if you hit cancel, it should say take another guess. 2. Guess was too high. Take another guess.